Okay, so good morning everyone. I believe I will be able to upload the video in morning itself. So why this? This is because the video which you are going to watch right now will be a bit long. Long as in not like 30 or 35 minutes long, but it is long and it is in details. Like section wise मैंने पूरा बढ़िया से उसको बनाने का कोशिश किया है. So the only thing I am here to tell you guys that please take your time and watch the video so that you can gain all the information and you can see all the entertainment that you are supposed to see. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start the video. I hope you are all doing well, and I believe that you are all enjoying the videos that have been uploaded in the past few weeks. I've tried to bring out the best content from whatever footage I have. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's roll in the intro, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog as usual. So yeah. Make sure you click that subscribe button to be a part of the family, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications firsthand. Okay, so good morning everyone. This is day 2 here in Ranchi, and the weather is not that good outside. Just got up about a few minutes back, got fresh. We'll be leaving for Patratu today in a few minutes. The weather doesn't seem to be good. It seems like it will be going to rain again today. The time is about 9 in the morning, and in another 10 or 15 minutes we'll be leaving. Some drying process चल रहा है. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Mr. Chitrak.
Hello.
How are you excited about today?
Very excited. Okay, this is what we came for.
Yeah. Everyone is lining up their bikes already. Ah. Ha. खुल गया मेरे भाई. निकॉल. ओ हाँ, आज वो फोटोग्राफी का सेशन है. अरे हीरो. आहा.
बड़ा टाइम ছিল 8টা 20 বলে 9টা 9:30 বাজিয়েছে.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
कहाँ रखे? ए हेलमेट किसका है, हटाओ. Okay, so we are leaving the hotel right now for Patratu. Everybody warmed up their bikes. Rain is in the forecast, so that is a bit disappointing and at the same time horrifying. चलिए. So we left for Patratu, and well, I must say the day is a very exciting one. Well, we did leave a bit late. The time is 9:30 in the morning, and we were supposed to leave by 7 or 7:30, but it's okay. थोड़ा आराम से सो लिया because we slept late last night. Me, चित्राग, जिगरान भाई all slept. just अड्डा मार रहे थे रात को. ये अपने जिगरान भाई हाईवे मैन बहुत एक्साइटेड है आज. पटराटू में कॉर्नरिंग करेंगे. Well, we all are excited actually, and the bikes which we have with ourselves, I mean, my CBR, the Ninja, the RC, the Duke, everything can be cornered pretty well. Okay, so we are leaving Ranchi right now, and I hope that I'm audible enough. We are going at a speed of 120. You can't hear shit. 25. I will go through this. This was the place, yes, now I remember. This was the place where we came. And isn't this beautiful?
एक और राउंड मार के आया जाए। और एक बार आएंगे। अरे तो और एक बार क्या, और 2-3 बार आएंगे। इट वॉज ब्यूटीफुल सो फार। आई मीन अभी आगे की वैली बाकी है। इफ यू कैन सी। well I'll just switch to the other camera right now. So yeah, it's a fun day till now. मज़ा आ रहा है। वैली तो आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा।
So guys, see the turns.
I'm there.
Man, and Shyness has been kind enough to lend his camera. Subscribe to him.
Yes, please
Subscribe.
do. Please do.
And his viewers, please subscribe to me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
please.
We grow together, man.
Collab. So that is the valley.
बताओ लिटाने का कंपटीशन किसी को करना?
So yeah, people are having fun over here, and it's been a great start of the day. Like we started late, but it's been a great start till now. अभी आगे तो the turns are there, and I think we will go up once again, and then again come down, and then again go up, and then again come down. So I don't know how much time it will be. I don't know how much time that will take, but you will be able to see. I hope you guys are enjoying though, yeah. Okay, so we'll be riding the RC right now. मज़ा आया, लेकिन आई एम नॉट एडजस्टेड टू द मोटरसाइकिल. आई एम नॉट फेमिलियर विद द मोटरसाइकिल, सो दैट्स वाई थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा है. अदर देन दैट देयर इज़ अ वेरी गुड मशीन. देयर इज़ अ वेरी गुड मशीन टू डू कॉर्नरिंग. आई मीन stuff like this, like turning into the corners is so freaking easy man. ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ता है इसको. कॉर्नरिंग में इतना सुंदर जाता है ना कॉर्नर में and now the Ninja 300 it is. So that's Akashdeep in front of me, hitting corners. बाकी सब आ रहे हैं. And here we oh my God. Man, that was dangerous. हाँ, वो जो टर्न लिया, एक ब्रेक कैसे लग गया बड़ा, एकदम पूरा स्किड खा गया. स्किड नहीं खाया तुम, पता है तुम कोल्ड स्किड हो गया, तुम गाड़ी सीधा कर दी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 जन ही है. We'll be going back now and to the point where we first started. It will be a climbing session and we'll go all the way to the top.
पता चल गया ना एटलीस्ट क्या वाइब्रेट कर रहा है। हम बोले
These are the conditions of the tires. That's the Dominar. Arnabda is riding the Dominar. This RC is ridden by Chitragda. उतना लेटाया नहीं है। R15 तो सामने का पूरा खत्म ही है, पीछे में थोड़ा बाकी। ये इनका है, इनका। This is the Dominar. Akashdeep is riding this. This is mine. ये मेरा है। This Vishwajit is riding this. This is ridden by Ritesh. And this is from Asif.
So gear blade is going to take a different angle of everyone.
Okay, so we are headed towards that road I mentioned last time. Actually now I don't remember the road. This heads towards Ormanji. There's a bit of an off-roading patch over here that we are headed to, and then we'll be headed to Hundur Falls. Hopefully the time is 12:28. We spent around like 2.5 hours at Patratu. I mean, the last time I came I didn't do it. It was fun with those guys, but then this time it was better, and actually it was better. I mean like 2 hours. I mean cornering 4 से 5 बार cornering किया भाई, मजा आ गई पूरा. That's Asif on his Ninja. The road is in pretty bad condition. I came here 6 months back, and the road was in this road actually was in a very good condition, but now I don't feel so. Guys, why aren't they coming, man? Bus. लेकिन फोटो उठेगा कैसे? Oh, they're washing the cars. We could not stop last time when we were here. Everyone is lining up for a photo लेंगे, चलो. थोड़ा सा निकाल के रखिए ताकि पूरा फ्रेम में आ जाए. So we are done with the pictures. We are leaving, and unfortunately rain has started. But we won't be heading back. We will be heading where we are going, that off-road patch. If I did not mention it yet, actually मैं ही सबको बोल के ज़बरदस्ती लेके जा रहा हूँ. अभी अगर बारिश हुई, ऑफ-रोड करने में किसी को प्रॉब्लम हुई तो सब आके मुझे कोसेंगे. I thank you all for coming. I thank you all for coming and अभी थोड़ा दिक्कत है, ऐसे ही चलाना पड़ेगा because the roads are pretty bad, you know. So that's Gibran bhai in front of me. Well, इस vlog के दो parts आपको देखने मिलेंगे, या फिर I must say दो versions, because one will be from me on my channel and the other one will be from Gibran bhai. So yeah, we both are equally participating. We both are recording as much as possible and trying to bring out the best content out for you guys to watch and enjoy. So I hope today is day 2 in Ranchi, and I hope that you like this video. If you did, please press that like button. I really appreciate when you do that, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to Gearblade, to Highwayman, because I think both of us produce good content. That being the main reason. I completely forgot the fact that there is a water crossing over here, and अभी बारिश का मौसम है तो भैया पानी तो होगा ही. So अभी the roads will be like this, ऐसे turn. Oh, by the way, the scenery looks beautiful over here. I mean, Ranchi has some beautiful landscapes, and I completely agree to that point, and I think everyone else would agree. I mean, greenery bhar ke, and you get to have your own time with your own motorcycle. Worth a trip. I mean, worth a shot for those of you who haven't visited Ranchi. And please, I might be giving you an itinerary, so stick to that and make sure you follow that, because if you did, I guarantee you, man, that you will be getting some good view out of your life. एकदम आराम से बाबा. I completely do not remember the route which we took last time, so let's see, we'll find it out. कोई issues होना नहीं चाहिए. अभी शायद इधर से ये कुछ नहीं है अभी, यही तो अभी मेन जगह हमको जाना है. डबल नहीं, डबल से बहुत ज्यादा होगा. ये कुछ नहीं, ये ट्रेलर भी नहीं था. So we are taking this right actually. अभी पिछला बार in the video I didn't mention it. So yeah, I'll just see you guys at the water crossing. I just hope it still is over there. So yes. Okay, so we are here, and now everyone is deciding how to cross this. क्या बोले थे, मजा आएगा. So the water crossing part is done. So the time is 1:40 roughly in the afternoon, and I think we will be done by 2 or 2:15. After that we'll go have our lunch. We also have to see Hundru Falls. Yes, that abhi time bahut hai, so either we can do Hundru Falls beforehand and then go have our lunch, or we'll have our lunch first and then we'll go to Hundru. It all depends on what the rest of the people have to say. I don't even have to stand. I mean, it's so easy, it's so comfortable doing it on this bike. So freaking easy. Okay, so we have arrived. This is the part. I mean, 6 महीने में बहुत कंस्ट्रक्शन कर दिए इन लोगों ने. So this is actually the part because of all the muddy and slushy areas. It's easy. Seems easy this time actually. And climbed now. कैमरे में ये सब क्लाइंब वगैरह समझ में आता नहीं है उतना. अभी तो उतना बालू भी नहीं है. पिछला बार इट वाज ऑल लाइक बहुत सारा बालू गिरा हुआ था एंड स्टफ. इट वाज हेक्टिक एंड इवन माय बाइक स्टॉल्ड वंस डायरेक्टली. सो लेकिन इस बार कुछ नहीं हुआ वैसा. मज़ा आया बॉस. सो या वी केम आउट ऑफ दैट रोड वेयर वी वर डूइंग ऑफ रोडिंग. और अभी we are again headed on the highway towards Hundru Falls right now. The time is 2 in the afternoon. It's pretty sunny out here but not that hot. Total kilometers we did today are about 80 kilometers we did in total, including 2 times Patratu Valley and 1 time that off-roading patch. Okay, so we somehow found the route from where I went to Hundru Falls last time. It was all confusing. हम लोग बहुत आगे तक चल के वो वहाँ व्यू पॉइंट तक चल गए थे. We shouldn't have because व्यू पॉइंट में उतना अच्छा व्यू है नहीं. I don't know why they call it व्यू पॉइंट anyways. So this is the route where you get to that Hundru Falls, where you can see Hundru Falls actually. और अभी तो रेन का महीना है, अभी तो और अच्छा से होना चाहिए. So yeah, anyways, without wasting any further time, let's just skip to Hundru Falls. Beautiful Ranchi. We have had a good time over here. Thank you for that, and I hope to see you guys soon again. I hope to see this place again, and I would be very fortunate enough if I am able to see this place with the same group of people that I am with right now. I mean, these guys are just awesome, just amazing. So abhi hotel hai.
So yeah, good evening everyone. The time is about 7 in the evening and we reached the hotel just about a few minutes back and मज़ा आया, बहुत मज़ा आया. I mean the corners, I mean you saw, like I tried to capture it from all the different angles that I could. And I hope you like this video. So I'll be ending the video right now because I think it will be a long video till now. We didn't manage to go to Old Manji. I was quite excited about it because I really wanted to visit that place. So next time maybe. And Hundru was a bit of a disappointment because it suddenly started raining. It was not raining actually, it was drizzling. So couldn't take the DSLR out, couldn't take the mobile phone out that much. So there is a plan, tomorrow we'll visit Jona and then we'll leave for Kolkata. So the route will be a bit different, I believe. I don't know, I don't have any confirmation of the news as of now. So वो तो कल decide होने वाला है. I'm Shainesh, ride hard, ride safe. I'll be signing off now and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.